appreciate you joining me today on Our Sweet Home Life. I am going to be baking a lemon meringue pie. I'm going to be using Paula Deen's lemon pie filling, but I'm going to be using Book's Chef on the Mile High meringue, and it's going to be good. Nothing but good is what Mama used to say. So I've got my oven preheating on 375. The directions actually say 400, but my oven cooks a little bit faster. So I'm going to be cooking it on 375. They said bake it for about 10 to 12 minutes. So I'm going to get this is a frozen pie crust, and they said let it defrost, so I did for about 30 minutes. So now I'm putting holes in it so it won't bubble up, so it'll remain flat. And my oven has just gotten preheated. So I'm going to go on and put it in the oven and let that be baking. Okay, so we're going to let that bake, and then I have 4 medium eggs beaten. The recipe actually called for 3 large, but I didn't have large, so I'm using medium. And a half a cup of fresh lemon juice squeezed, a can of this sweetened condensed milk, and then a tablespoon or teaspoon of lemon zest. So there we got it. So we're going to be putting that together here when our pie crust gets done and cooled a little bit. Okay, I've just taken the pie crust out of the oven and it's nice and brown. Maybe you can see that. And so it's cooling. So I'm going to start on my pie filling. So we are to, let's see, our egg yolks. We have beaten those. It says to use 3 large, but I had medium eggs, so I used 4 egg yolks. So let's put those in. It says a half a cup of lemon juice, so we freshly squeezed our lemons. And 1 can of this sweetened condensed milk. Hopefully we can get it out. Been having a problem getting that lid open, so we'll see. There it comes. Okay. Let's get all this goodness out here. That condensed milk is nothing but good. Okay. We got that. And it's my hands from the sticky off. Okay. Then we're going to mix all this up. Looking good. That lemon juice supposedly helps bake these egg whites, or cook them I should say, or egg yolks. Okay, it's looking mighty creamy. If you can see that or not. Gotta mix that up good. Then we're going to put 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. Get it out there. Okay. And then we have a teaspoon of lemon zest. We're going to put that in there and mix that. This is smelling so good. Wish you could smell it. It is smelling good. Okay. And then we'll put that in our pie crust that we have already baked. Okay, this is a deep dish pie crust that I've used. Okay. And put that in there. The sink. Wipe my hands off again. looking good. And then we will start on the Mile High Meringue. Can't wait to taste this delicious pie. We'll start our Mile High Meringue. And what we need for our Mile High Meringue is 2 tablespoons sugar, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and a half a cup of water. So we're going to put those in this saucepan over a medium heat. And we're going to cook this until it's clear. It'll start out white, and then it'll turn to where it's almost clear. So that's what we want. Rinse this off. Okay. A little whisk. Okay. We're going to cook this over medium heat until it's almost clear. Right now it looks like milk. So you got to stir this constantly until it turns clear. I think it's getting about right. It's not quite as white as it was. Okay, it's starting to get more and more clear looking. So I'm going to cut this off. Okay, sticking it up some too. I believe this is about right. I don't know if you can see this in the camera, but it's kind of thick and it's more clear. So I don't know, hard to tell if y'all can see it or not, but I hope you can. Can you see that? It's clear and kind of thick. I'm going to set it over here in this bowl. Okay. I'll pick you up and see if I can bring you over here and let you see. See, it's more clear. Okay, we're going to start on this lovely meringue. So we need 4 egg whites, which we have in this bowl. I've got my 4 egg whites in here, and we're going to mix those until they get a little bit stiff. And then I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of vanilla. And then I have 4 tablespoons of sugar that I'm going to add a little bit at a time. Turn those up a little bit. Okay, they're starting to foam a little bit, so let's just beat them a little bit more. Put that just a little bit more. Turn it on up. I'm going to start adding my salt. Add my vanilla. Half a teaspoon. Whew, that's way too much. Okay, that's about a half. Okay, we're going to keep mixing that until some peaks form. starting to get there. Okay, starting to look good. So now I'm going to start adding a little bit of sugar at a time. 4 tablespoons. Let it mix a little bit and I'll add some more. Okay, it's starting to look good now. Yeah, it's starting to look real good. With the sugar. Okay, looks like that's needs another minute. Let's see if you can see it. Looking good, don't you think? Okay, I'm going to take this off for a minute. And then add this. Ooh, yes, looking good. Okay, now let's put this back in there and see what we got. Cut it off and let's see. What do y'all think? That's stiff, isn't it? Okay, I think so. So that clear mixture is the secret. So we're going to see how that works out for us. Okay, where's our pie? Here's our pie. What do you think? Let me turn you around where you can see. I don't think you can see. The goodness. Okay, let's see if we can get this bread on here. Nothing but goodness. Nothing but goodness. can get this all on here. Let's see if we can get all this on here. It's nothing but goodness. Okay. Get some peaks going here. Okay. Okay, let's see. We're going to put this in the oven. It says to bake it at 400 for about 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes, but I'm going to bake it at 375 and get it brown. Can you see it? Okay. Can you see it in the oven? Can you see it? It's looking brown. Woo, yes. I think that's brown. What do you think? Mile high? Looks mile high to me. Just gonna cut it off. The kitchen take you over there. That's our mile high meringue, lemon meringue pie. It's Paula Deen's lemon pie filling, and then Chef Buck's meringue on top with the secret ingredient. I know it's gonna be good. Nothing but good is what Mama used to say. And I appreciate you joining us today. We appreciate all of our viewers. So like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. This pie has to cool, and then we will put it in the refrigerator, and it has to set for at least a few hours, preferably overnight. So we're going to have to be patient. So we'll see you next time. Bye. Okay, Mojo, looks like you've had a piece, so tell me how it was.
I'm going to get another piece in a minute, but buddy, it was some count, as they say. Woo, it was good. Really good pie. I love pies. I've told you this before, but it's just awesome. Best I think I've ever seen Glenda make. It's beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye.